The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Facias Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Front and rear fascia. The unique front and rear fascias are designed to optimize the Z06 cooling needs. As you can see here, the front and rear fascias have been redesigned to allow maximum airflow through the 3 fronts and 1 on each side, channeling air to a center heat exchanger, which is 1 of 5 for maximizing cooling performance. Suspension tuning. The Z06 is engineered with specific suspension tuning, including magnetic ride control, larger brakes, which contributes to making the 2023 Corvette Z06 the most track-capable Corvette ever. Let's take a look at the engine. The 2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5-liter dual overhead cam V8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. A lightweight, flat-plane crank design enables the engine to rev to an astonishing 8,600 RPMs needed to create significant power. More than horsepower, the new LT6 is designed to complement all aspects of the Z06 track-focused performance experience. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Facias Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.